Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make Nevri's recipe.
This sweet recipe is prepared for Ganesh Chaturthi festival.
So let's start the process. First we will prepare stuffing for the Nevri's.
Fry sesame seeds for 5 minutes and remove. Fry semolina on medium heat. Add ghee and fry for 5 minutes. Now remove from gas and put all the dry ingredients.
Dry grapes and cashew nuts. Powder of nutmeg, cardamom
And cloves.
powdered sugar. Dry grated coconut. Our stuffing is ready. Now we will make the dough.
In maida flour add salt. Add rawa soaked in water for 10 minutes. Mix rawa and dough with hand. Now add ghee. Mix the ghee with a spoon,
As it will be very hot. Now mix with hand.
Simultaneously add water to make a dough. Cover the dough with wet cloth for 10 minutes. Now make a roll like this and cut in small pieces as shown. Roll the dough pieces into small round chapatis like this. Put the stuffing in the chapatti. Slightly add water on all four sides with a cotton brush. Now close the chapatti and put little pressure on the sides. Now use cutting machine like this to give design to the sides. Remove the extra dough from side. Now fry them in oil till light golden brown in color on a medium flame. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes.